Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some arithmetic on train. Let's begin with the question number 1, and that is a train 110 meter in length runs through a station at the rate of 36 km per hour. How long will it take to pass
A given point.
a given point? Pass a given point. A given point.
The point लिखा है.
Yeah, given point. A given point, to pass a given point means to pass its length. So what is the length of the train? The length of the train is how many? Tell me. Length of the train is length and GTH, length of the train. Train is 110 meter, right? This is the length of the train. It will pass it. So let's calculate in how many time it will pass its length. Pass 1/10. So here is given 36 kilometer means 30,000 meters. 36 kilometer means 30,000 meters is crossed in 1 hour means 3,600 seconds. 3,600 seconds. 1 meter will be passed in 3600 upon 3600. Then therefore 110 meter will be passed 3600 upon 3600 into 110. 1, 2, 3 zeros cancelled. 36 cancelled. Is equal to 11. That means the right answer is 11 seconds. How many seconds?
11 seconds.
Which is the correct answer? Tell me. Number 1 is the correct answer. Next one. A train 540 meter long. What is the length of the train? 540. Is running with a speed of 72 km per hour. In what time will it pass a tunnel of 160 meter long? Tunnel of
160 meter.
long. Could understand? That means the train will pass its length and the length of the tunnel. Okay, done. That means it will pass both its length and the length of the tunnel. So let's know the total length of the train and the tunnel. 540 and 160. Total 700. Okay, this is the length of both the train and the tunnel. The train will cross it in how many? The question is what time will it take? So we will calculate it. We know how many. The speed of the train is 72,000 km per hour. That means 72,000 meter. 72 kilometer means 72,000 kilometer is passed in how many minutes? 1 hour means how many seconds? In 3,600 seconds. 1 meter will be passed in 3,600 seconds upon 72,000 meter. 72,000. Therefore, 700 meter will be passed 3,600 upon 72,000 into 700. So, 00 cancel, 10 cancel, 36 to the 270, 35 is equal to 35 seconds. 30, which is the correct? Tell me.
Number 3.
Number 3 is the correct. Okay, done. Thank you. Next question is, that is number 3. That is number 3. What did I say? Number 3. Okay. So the number 3 is like this. A train 200 meter long. What is the length of the train? 200 meter. Is running with a speed of 72 km per hour. In what time will it pass a platform 160 meter long? The length of the platform is 160 and the length of the train is 200. Total is 200 plus 160 is equal to 360. The train will pass this length. Could understand or not? So let's calculate the time it will take to pass this length. So 72 kilometer is passed in how many minutes? 1 hour. 1 hour means how many seconds? Tell me. 1 hour means how many seconds? 3,600. That means 72 meter means 72,000. 72 kilometer means 72,000 meter is passed in how many minutes? How many seconds? 3,600. So 1 meter will be passed, right? Passed in 3,600 upon 72,000. Therefore, 360 meter will be passed 3,600 upon 72,000 into 360. 000 cancel. 36 to the 2, 18 in the is equal to 8 in a second. Which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Number 1.
Number 1 is the correct answer, right? Number 1 is the correct answer. Thank you. That's like a good boy. Yes, next one is the number 4. That is 2 trains. How many trains?
2 trains.
One is 70 meter long, another is 80 meter long. Could understand? So respectively, run at the rate of rates of 68 and 40 kilometer an hour respectively on parallel rails in opposite direction. Could understand? If both the trains are in the opposite direction, the relative speed is the addition. Could understand?
How long?
Relative speed. If they are in the same direction, the relative speed is their difference. So anyway, the total length of two lanes, so an hour is on parallel lines in opposite direction. How long do they take to pass each other? Yes. So first, what is the total length of the two trains? So the total length, the length of the two trains is how many? 70 plus 80 is equal to 150 meter. They are in the opposite direction. Their relative speed is equal to how many? 68 plus 40. We will add them because they are in opposite direction. Is equal to 10 knot. Could you understand? 10 knot. So we are asked to calculate in what time they will cross the length 150. You understand? So here is 108 kilometer means 108,000 meter is passed in 3,600 seconds. Could understand? 1 meter will be passed in 3,600 upon 108,000. Therefore, 150 meter will be passed 3,600 upon 108,000 into 150, right? So, 000 cancel 36 3 da 3 5 da, so that is 5 seconds. Which is the correct answer? Tell me. Which is the correct answer? Number 4.
Number 2.
Number 4.
Number 1.
Number 1, that is 5 seconds. Could understand? Thank you. Next question, that is number 5. A train, what did I say? A train 110 meters long travels at 60 km per hour. How long does it take to cross another train 170 meter long running at 54 km per hour in the same direction? So we will add the lengths of the trains, 2 trains. The length of first train is 110, you know, and the second one is 170, total 280 meter length. The train will pass this length. Could understand? So now let's calculate the relative speed. Both are in the same direction. So the relative speed is equal to relative speed. Speed is equal to what? How many? 60 minus 52. 54, right. Is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Could understand? Could understand or not? So we will calculate time. Could understand? So this is the distance, this is the speed. So time is equal to distance by time, you know. Could understand? So anyway, so 6 kilometer means 6,000 meter is passed in how many seconds? 3,600 seconds. 1 meter will be passed 3,600 upon 6,000, right? Therefore 280 meter will be passed 3,600 upon 6,000 into 280. 000 cancel 6 da, right? 6 da. 6 8 da 48, 8 here 4, 6 2 da how many? 12 plus 4 16, 168 means 168 second means how many? 2 minute 120, 2 minute 48 second. This is a minute, this is a second, right? Which is correct? Tell me. Number 2 is correct. Number 2 is
correct.
Is it given?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the next point. Number 6, that is number 6. 2 trains travel in the same direction at 56 kilometer and 29 kilometer. Both the train are in the same direction. So their relative speed is relative speed is how many? 56 minus 29 is equal to 27 kilometer per hour. And the faster train passes a man in the slower train in 16 seconds. Could understand? 16 seconds. That means the train passes 16 seconds. So, in what did I say? In 3600 seconds, the train passes 27 kilometer, or that is 27,000 meter. In 1 second, it will pass 27,000 upon 3,600. Therefore, in 16 second, that is into 16. Triple double zero cancelled. 6 4 the 6 9 the 9 30 the is equal to 120 meter. Could you understand? 120 meter. Which is find the length of the faster train? The length of the faster train is what? How many?
120 meter.
Right, 120 meter. When a train passes a man, that means it passes its own length. Could you understand? When a train passes a point, it passes its own length. So such is the case. As the train passes a man, it passes its length, and its length is 120. Could you understand? Meter. Next one is 7. A train running at 24 km per hour takes 30 seconds to pass a platform. Next, it takes 10 seconds to pass a man walking 12 km in the opposite direction. Who are walking in opposite the train and the man? So when they are in opposite direction, the relative speed is speed of the man and train is how many? 24 plus 12 is 36 km. So the train they crossed each other. They passed each other in how many seconds? 10 seconds. Could you understand? So train passes a man means it passes its length. We can understand the length. So that is in 3,600 seconds. The train passes how many? The train passes 36,000 meter. In 1 second, the train will pass 36,000 upon 3,600. Therefore, in 10 seconds, that is 36,000 upon 3600 into 10 is equal to double zero cancel. 36 10 that is equal to 100 meter. The length of the train is 100 meter. Could you understand? That train passed a platform in 30 seconds. So let's say calculate the length. We will calculate the length. When the length is brought from that length is the length of the train and the length of the platform. We will subtract the length of the train, so we will get the length of the platform. Again, the same the principle. So relative same principle. So in 3,600 seconds, the train passes passes the length of the platform and the length of the train. We know the length of the train, so x plus 100. So anyway, leave it. Passes 24,000 meter. In 1 second, it will pass 24,000 upon 3600. In 30 second, that it will pass 24,000 upon 3600 into 30. So 00 cancel. Right? 12 3 da, 12 20 da, 3 10 da is equal to 200 meter. Could understand? 200 meter. So it is the length of a platform and the train. 200 is the length of could understand, platform and the train. Platform and train. Right? So the length of the train is 100. Length of the train, so length of the platform is 100. Could understand? What is asked? Find the length of the platform. Could understand? So the length of the platform is 100 meter. How many meter? 100 meter. Next one is, two trains are moving in the same direction. Are moving in the opposite direction at 30 km and 24 km per hour. The faster train crosses a man in the slower train in 6 seconds. Find the length of the faster train. So this is also 8 number. The same. Could understand? So they are in opposite direction. Their relative speed is equal to 30 plus 24 is equal to 54 km per hour. Distance covered in 60 seconds is equal to, so in 3600 seconds it passes 54,000 meter. In 1 second it will pass
4,000 by
this is 24. What did I say?
50.
Oh, it will pass 54,000 upon 3600. Therefore, in 6 minutes, in 6 seconds, 5400 upon 3600, 54,000 upon 3600 into 6. 00 cancelled. 6 da. 90 da is equal to 90 meter. So the length of the train is 90 meter. Could understand? I have told you, when a train passes a man, it passes its length. So its length is 90 meter. Which is correct? Number 4 is correct. What did I say? Number 4 is correct. Next one is a train. 9 number, a train running at 35 km per hour takes 18 seconds to pass a platform. Next it takes 12 seconds to pass a man walking at the rate of 5 km in the same direction. Find the length of the train of the and
that
wait. And
that
wait, that of the
of
platform.
the
Okay,
platform.
so the main and the train are in the same direction. Same direction, that is the relative speed. The relative speed is the relative speed of train and main is 35 minus how many? 5 equal 30. Could understand? 30. So it passes a main at the a main. Main means it passes its own length. That means in passes a main in 12 seconds. Let's calculate the strength. So in 3600 seconds, the train passes how many? 30,000 30 kilometer means 30,000 meter. In 1 second, it will pass 30,000 upon 3600. Therefore, in 12 seconds, it will pass 30,000 upon 3600 into 12. Right? So that is 0000 cancel. 12 3 the 300 is equal to 100 meter. So the length of the train is equal to the length of the train is equal to the length of the train is equal to 100 meter. Could understand? 100 meter. Now let's say calculate the platform, and you know the distance covered in 36,000. So in 3,600 second, it passes how many? 35 kilometer or 35,000 meter. Could understand? In 1 second, it will pass 35,000 upon 3,600. Therefore, what is given in 18 seconds? In 18 seconds, it will pass 35,000 upon 3600 into 18. So 0000 cancel. 18 to the 2 175. So 175 is the 175 meter is the length of the platform and the train. Could understand or not? So the length of the train is equal to, this is the length of platform plus train. Right? The length of the train is equal to 100, we know. So the length of the platform is 75 meter. Could understand what is asked? So that of the platform number 2, 100 meter and 75.
Yes.
Could understand?
Number 2.
Thank you. Again, a train running at 25 km per hour takes 18 seconds to pass a platform. Next, it takes 10 seconds to pass a man walking at this rate of 7 km per hour in the same direction. Find the length of the platform and the length of the train. It is just the same. It is like a question number 9. You can do it. In the question number 9, they both are in the train and the man are in the same direction. Here in the same direction. So it is just like 9. I think we should not discuss about it. You will do it yourself. With this, that is the end of today's math class. We shall discuss the other maths in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.